Monte Cristos with baby greens. And for this, we'll need some kind of bread. I got avocado bread because that's what my girlfriend demanded. Dijon mustard. Oh, that's kind of backwards, but yeah, you get this picture. Red raspberry preserves. I got a thing of Monterey Jack cheese that we're gonna shred, and some red apple cheese smoked. Got some smoked deli ham. We got some whole milk. We got eggs. We'll need about 3 large eggs, sort of like that. Some butter, some salt, some pepper, some baby greens, and some balsamic vinegar. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to preheat this to about 350. Then we're going to spread the mustard on one half and the raspberry preserves on the other half. I'm going to shred the cheese. We're going to shred both cheeses in the same bowl and then mix it all together. Now we got the Monterey Jack. And the same thing, we're going to use the small holes of a cheese grater. And we're going to mix these cheeses together. Now we're going to divide half the cheese amongst the mustard covered bread. And then we're going to top it with ham, probably 2 slices per bread. Like that, I actually added 3 slices per bread. And then we're going to add the remaining of the cheese mixture. Then we're going to top it with the other slice of bread on both sides. And then we're going to crack 3 eggs. And then we're going to mix it with about 1/3 cup of whole milk. And then a little bit of salt. And a few grinds of pepper. Well, it's not grinds, it's just table pepper, but that'll work. And then we're going to whisk it all together in this baking dish that I got. Basically, I got a skillet over medium-high with about a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to let this melt. And when it's all when it's all melted, I'm going to cook the sandwiches. When the butter's melting, we're going to dip the sandwiches in this egg mixture. And then we're going to flip it over just like this. Then we're going to pick it up. Make sure the excess drips off. I don't want to hold it. Then we're going to put it in the hot skillet for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. I went ahead and flipped it. It was about 2 minutes on this side. We're going to fry it up for another 2 minutes and then transfer to the baking dish, because then we're going to finish it in the oven to melt the rest of the cheese. And then we're going to add the sandwiches directly to the oven and bake it for about 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. Sandwiches are baking. We're just going to throw in some mixed greens with some balsamic vinegar. I would say about a tablespoon. And then some salt and pepper. Whoop, that's a lot of salt, but and when it's about 5 minutes, we're going to take the sandwiches out, and they look pretty perfect.
Allegra suffers from acute bradycardia. Her kidneys are failing. She's lost the ability to swallow.
Perfectly melted cheese.
Short is dying.
It's good.
Now, several hours after this video was taken,